Yes, my beautiful people, we need to get these ASAP. I've spoken about these lovely glasses many a time. These are blue light blocking glasses. What they do is they essentially block out that annoying ring light in my face right now because it's like about 6:30 in the evening, and I start putting these little suckers on around 7 because I am exposed to false light when the sun goes down. And these are sort of more transparent ones. They're a little bit keto greasy, excuse me, but there you go. And more effective ones are going to be like a deep orange, yellow, or even red in color. But these are good little start you offer from transitioning. You can also drive with these on. So the issue is that you guys are trying to produce ketones and you're not, because you can't get into a deep sleep because you're overstimulated. People say like, oh, I pass out. It doesn't matter that you pass out. A lot of you guys have unstable blood sugar and you're waking up 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock. A lot of you guys are waking up at 4 o'clock. You have to wake up by 5:30. You know at 4 you've got to wake up at 5:30 to get ready for work, and therefore a lot of people can't sleep. I see this in so many people. Now with that said, the night before, the evening before you actually go to sleep, you don't realize how much that blue light is affecting your pineal gland and your adrenals. And so what you want to do is block it out. Now, after you've used the blue blockers, you want to learn how to diaphragmatic breathe. Now, I am not the diaphragmatic breathing expert, but it's in through the nose, fill the belly with air, and hold it in, and out of the mouth. So you want to do this 4 breaths at a time every minute for a few minutes to relax your central nervous system, because a lot of you guys have inverted cortisol. If you have inverted cortisol, you're most likely not going to produce enough viable ketones while sleeping in. Those are the ones we want to access, because we want to access the restaurant here on the belly, because the first thing that you do when you start a ketogenic protocol is eat a lot of fat. So stop asking if it's a high protein diet. Yo, that's not ketotic. Then if you eat a lot of fat, that's those ketones that you're seeing in the blood are coming from your diet. We really want to access this while you sleep. Now, there's another thing, which is mouth taping. And I've spoken about this before, but this stuff works, people. So if you don't have a deviated septum and you can actually breathe out of both nostrils, you might want to do some mouth taping. Now, this is, I'm not sponsored by this company at all. Somnifix. Where is it? There. See that? And they actually have this. It's shaped like a mouth with a hole in the middle, and you put it over your mouth, and you can still breathe a little bit through the mouth. And this, because when you are Darth Vader mouth breather, your central nervous system is overcalculating. It's like popcorn, blip, 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 and that's when you don't sleep well. Another thing is so this stuff really, really works, is to not eat late at night, because your organs are going to release bile like your gallbladder. You don't want your gallbladder waking you up. So don't eat late at night. Plus your body doesn't digest food very well because it's trying to hibernate. And then it's got to go clock in back at the job and start digesting, so it only partially digests. This will mess up your sleep. And if your sleep's not doing well, you're not going to keto adapt. All right, guys, that's my quick tip on how to keto adapt as far as sleep goes. There's a lot of million things you need to do, which is don't do a bunch of showers and clean an apartment right before bed. Like, don't sit and watch TV. Don't read your tablet or book from your bed. I'll go more into that later as to why. But if you're not going to sleep well and you're insulin and you have the early morning dawns phenomenon before you're supposed to wake up and you're having high blood sugar, you're not going to adapt. All right. And that's the whole point, because we want the mother second business. If you guys want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. You can also go to my Facebook fan page for a lot of free content, which is Stephanie, as you know, the business person. Or you could go to my Instagram, where I do a lot of stories with information every day, tirelessly going through a lot of stuff like, dark circles under the eyes, ridges on the nails, like white tongue, numbness on the fingertips, all this weird stuff. I talk about this stuff every day there, Stephanie Ketogenic. or I have I have an open calendar for consultations, or I have a keto course group that involves people who are still doing carbs, low carb, high fat, people who are doing standard keto, and people who are doing keto carnivore. It's very, very cheap at $15 a month. You can do 1 month or many months, but there you're going to learn a lot of stuff because I work really, really hard on that course page. And now I've got to go. Bye. And I'm out. More videos. More videos. This ring lights drive me nuts.